Hello everyone, welcome to GV Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification for more interesting and learning videos. Right, today one more interesting topic, GitHub Copilot. Already we have seen with how to integrate with Eclipse, right, how to integrate with IntelliJ IDs we have seen. Today I will show you how to integrate with Visual Studio Code, right, Visual Studio Code. Right, that is an editor, that is also a VS Code editor. Right, we can write, right, usually we will use for, right, a C sharp, right, any JavaScript, TypeScript programmings, we will use that. Right, we can also use for Java also. Right, we will see what is the GitHub Copilot. Right, it is AI powered coding assistance. Right, that helps developers write code faster and suggestion snippets. Right, what it will do while writing the code, it will suggest us what are the right best way of writing code. It will suggest the code, and also right, it will generate also entire code also, right. But what are the advantages of it? Right, we can faster development, it will increase the productivity, right. It helps with learning exploration, right. For reduces the context switching. What is context switching? We no need to go for right different websites to get the solution. What is the right, we will get a solution, but whether it is a correct or not, whether it is a right time complexity, space complexity is good, right. These are all we need to verify. But here, right, it will give exact code with right, we will get then works with multiple languages, right. It will support Java, Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, C++, right, all the languages mostly. Useful for full stack and automation engineers using different technologies, right. It will improve our code quality, right. We no need to ever worry about code quality. It will tell us what are the disadvantages, right. Every tool will have it advantages, disadvantages, right. We cannot right, Copilot will generate 100% correct, right. We right, it will generate, but we should not right take that as 100% correct. We have to manually verify it. Sometimes miss edge cases, right. Sometimes if you are generating test cases, sometimes maybe edge cases or say security concerns we will get. Right, developers may become dependent on AI generated suggestions instead of learning core programming concept. Right, if we habituate to AI generated code, right, what will happen? Right, we will forget right writing the code and basic concepts also. That is also a one disadvantage of it. Right, right, our important debugging and problem solving skills could weaken. Right, security and licensing risks. Sometimes what will happen, AI will suggest as a insecure code or licensing code, so we must be very careful with that. Right, requires internet, always we require internet. Right, pro version also available AI, right. We can, right, it's a great boosting and learning for the new patterns and reducing repetitive code, not a replacement for coding knowledge, right. It is not a replacement for human or coding knowledge, right. It is just it will suggest the better way of writing the code. Right, then how to integrate with coming to our VS Code, right? You can right install this VS Code. You can type in the Google VS Code, we can install it. Right, then how to Copilot, how to integrate it. There is a view section, right? There is a view section and the Copilot edits. There is a Copilot edits is there. Just click on it, right. Then we have to sign in. Click on the sign in with the GitHub account, right. We have to sign in with the GitHub account. If you click on it, it will open. If you already have GitHub account, you can use that. If you don't have, create one GitHub account, right. If you have already account, just give it. Okay, let me check incorrect username password. Right, you can give the username password. Okay, just click on continue. If you don't have, create one, right, and give that one. Okay, right? It will sign in with the, once you have given username password, it will right integrate with our VS Code editor. Right, once it is installed, see it will open the GitHub Copilot. Right, it will open the GitHub Copilot. We can chart it. Right, if you want to generate right any code, it will generate it. Suppose I am asking, right, generate right, right. Once it is installed, right, we can find on the bottom or also on the top also. In the Visual Studio Code, on the top also we can find the, right here there is a right symbol, right, open chart. We can do open Copilot. Suppose, right, I will create a simple file, right, a simple file. If you press Ctrl I, right, it will open the Copilot. Right, here we can different right chat GPT or Gemini API, which one we want. Right, now I will ask here generate fancy login form. Right, right, and click on it. Right, see, it will generate some fancy login form. Right, then accept it. Right, that's it. Right, if you want to generate right code like this, right, just we can, right, you can wherever you want, right, Control I, you can ask the Copilot, or directly in the chart. In the chart also, right, in the right side we will get the chart also, right. We can here also we can type the whatever we want, right, we can type it and we can get the, it will generate automatically code. Right, like this we can integrate with the VS right code editor, and we can generate the code automatically. Right, just you have to give the prompt and it will generate the code. Right, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification for future videos. I will do more interesting videos in the future. Please enable notification. Right, please comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Please share to your friends if you like the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.